It's an easily recognizable and daily recurring issue for almost everyone who wears glasses or sunglasses. Every time you put them on, your lenses are dirty. A fingerprint, a wipe of an eyebrow, or a sweep of makeup disturbs your clear view. The only option is manual cleaning. Until now.
Special delivery.
Thank you so much.
We proudly present SPECSTACULR as the ultimate solution. After more than 6 years of development, we designed the stylish and sturdy SPECSTACULR to take with you and use it anywhere you want. SPECSTACULR is easy to use and will safely clean your glasses in 45 seconds, with no heat, no moisture, and every time with a consistent result more than 1,500 times. Just recharge your SPECSTACULR when it asks for it. The best of all, your SPECSTACULR is long-lasting due to the renewable internal cleaning cartridge. Change it and keep on cleaning.
Wow. Thank you so much.
With SPECSTACULR you can bring out the visionary in you.
And now ordering your SPECSTACULR is as easy as using it.
Have a SPECSTACULR day.
See you.